So I borrowed a blow dryer from my friend's sister's house. Don't know who blow dryer this was. Just found out who it was. But anyway, the blue button went inside of the blow dryer, and I literally was just telling her, I was like, "Hey, I would fix it, but I don't have a screwdriver. If I had a screwdriver, I would fix it." And then I thought about it, bitch. I do got a screwdriver. I don't know why I brought it with me. I don't know why it was in my shit, but this is definitely my screwdriver, and I'm about to try to fix it. Okay, y'all don't know this about me, but I like to take shit apart. I always been like that since I was a kid. Okay, so what I'm understanding is that these little things on the inside require you to line it up with, I don't know if you can see. Can you see? There's a little thing in here. You're supposed to be lined up. I think. I knocked it right off of the floor. But I gotta find the little thing on the other side. That's the problem. I need to take this off of here though. If I could take this off, it would help. I think I gotta take this off first. Come on, don't do that. You don't break your teeth. That's more expensive than all this shit. Oh, fuck. Okay, baby. I think I fixed it. Hold on. Okay, I had to check out of my room, but I was able to align the things that I was talking about before. Okay, so now it's out, but I got it. Hold on. Your girl is Bob the Builder, Isha. I just gotta put the screws back in. I had dropped it on the fucking carpet. I thought I was gone there. Found my little screwdriver. It's insane that I brought this screwdriver with me to begin with. So I'm gonna put the screws back in one at a time. Make sure this is on all the way. Everything's closed up. Let's keep going. And put that in. And I don't think it's got a magnet on it, so yeah, it don't have a magnet on the tip. So I gotta use as much strength as I can to not pull it back out. Let me put the other one in so it can be even. Oh, fun fact, don't ever tighten the screws until all the screws are in. It doesn't matter what it is. Oh, it does have a magnet. Wow. Okay, it has a magnet. Some old school screwdrivers don't have a magnet on it. So, like, if your screw is not all the way in, it'll just fall off. You see how it is? Yeah. Okay. Well, it's gonna keep doing it, I guess. Okay. Thank God for the magnet. Girl, why I keep throwing the screw? Okay, let me put it in by hand. Let me put it in by hand. And then you start screwing it in. It don't matter what it is. Try not to screw things in too tight before you get all the screws in. And then don't screw the last one first. Screw the first one first. So you can have some stability. Hold on. Yeah. Make sure it's closed all the way. And you squeeze it. Hold on. I keep popping off the thing. I'm about to plug it in and see if it works. About to plug it in and see if it works. Hold on real quick. No, it's not working. Hold on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. My ass fucking fire. I love me. I just do well at everything that I do.